and the following areas in Connecticut, northern Fairfield, and northern New Haven. Blizzard warning in effect from midnight tonight to midnight Tuesday night. The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a blizzard warning, which is in effect from midnight tonight to midnight Tuesday night. The winter storm warning is no longer in effect. Locations: portions of northeastern New Jersey, northern Westchester, northern Fairfield, and northern New Haven counties. Hazard types: heavy snow and blizzard conditions. Snow accumulations: 18 to 24 inches. Snowfall rates: 2 to 4 inches per hour early Tuesday morning into Tuesday afternoon. Timing: late tonight through Tuesday evening. Impacts: dangerous travel due to whiteout conditions at times. Several roads may become impassable. Power outages possible. Winds: northeast 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 40 miles per hour on Tuesday. Temperatures: in the mid-20s. Visibilities: 1/4 mile or less at times. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibilities are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. Southern Middlesex and southern New London, and the following areas in New York, northeast Suffolk and southeast Suffolk. Winter storm warning in effect from midnight tonight to midnight Tuesday night. The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a winter storm warning for heavy snow and strong winds, which is in effect from midnight tonight to midnight Tuesday night. The blizzard watch is no longer in effect. Locations: eastern Long Island, southern Middlesex, and southern New London counties. Hazard types: heavy snow with possible blizzard conditions Tuesday morning. Snow is expected to mix with or change to sleet and rain late Tuesday morning into Tuesday afternoon. Snow accumulations: 8 to 14 inches. Snowfall rates: 2 to 4 inches per hour early Tuesday morning. Timing: late tonight into Tuesday evening. Impacts: dangerous travel late tonight into Tuesday morning. Damaging wind gusts possible. Winds: northeast 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour on Tuesday. Temperatures: around 30. Visibilities: 1/4 mile or less at times.